gently flowing river.
Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I got the most exciting delivery. My first purchases from Bésame Cosmetics. Now if you don't know what Bésame is, it's a makeup brand that's all inspired by true vintage products. So I got two things. I got the brightening violet face powder, and look at this packaging. And I also got the, what colour is this? Cherry red lipstick, which is a true replica of a colour from 1945, and I thought I would do a quick makeup look using these products as well as a couple others I've got recently that I haven't had opportunity to show you. So it's going to be really fun. I'm really excited, and let's get started. So I've already applied the Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. This has coconut water in it and it feels so good, and I just, oh my goodness. And now I'm going with the Girls Contour Kit from Soap & Glory, and I'm going to be applying the One Heck of a Blot face primer. I love this stuff, it's amazing. And because I do have oilier skin, I find that this really helps lock any face products I use really well into my face, and it is mattifying as well, which is very nice. This is the Skin Feels Good from Lancôme. Full, oh, why? I use about 2 pumps of this. Dot this all over my face. This has a little pump. I really like the way that the packaging is. And then I'm taking the sponge that comes with the cushion compacts from Lancôme, and I'm using that to tap and blend. I'm just quickly applying a little bit of eye primer. You can use any eye primer. I just happen to have the Lancôme one. So I'm just applying a thin layer of that onto my eyelids, and then completely failing to be able to get the top back on. Oh my goodness. There we go. And then applying a little bit of concealer, because I want to cover up those dark circles. This is a Born This Way, and this again has coconut water in it, and it's nice and hydrating, which is really nice. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my fingers. Now I have all of my face makeup on, but you can see that it's very shiny and wet looking, and I need something to kind of pin it all down. So it's time to use the first Bésame product, which I'm so excited about. Oh my goodness. Oh, if I don't like this, I'm actually gonna cry. And this packaging though, how do I open it? This is the question, how do I? So I can really open it from the top. How do I open this? Ah, aha! Got it. Get ready to be admired. Oh, that's so cute. Pretty. This is gorgeous. It's paraben free. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that match. Oh, powder puff. Soft powder puff. Living for it. Okay. So I've watched the instructional videos on the Bésame website, and what it says, so I take some of the powder and I tip it into the lid. Tip it into the lid. And then I apply that powder to my face. It smells gorgeous. Okay, so not very much comes out when you apply it. There you go. So you take that powder and you apply it around your face. And then you take a bigger brush and you blend it, I think. Blending out really well. My face does look very bright and luminous, which I am liking. I feel airbrushed. Other than that one spot of foundation, what is that? This feels amazing. I feel airbrushed and luminous and amazing, and it's also really soft. I'm going to keep applying it. Probably shouldn't because it'll cake up, but that's amazing. Yes. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So, the Bésame Violet Brightening Powder has been a success. I'm just going to take Divinity, which is a matte vanilla shade, and I'm just going to put this all over. There you go. Just to brighten up the eyes, basically. And then we can go in with an eyeliner. I need a compact mirror for this. Give me a sec. I've recently been using a new mascara. This is the Max Factor 2000 Calorie Dramatic Volume in Black Brown. I wanted more of a brown mascara to try out, and I really do like this one. It's definitely It's not very dramatic, unless you like really build it up. But I like the kind of fluttery look it gives, and it's great for a more natural look. And now for the exciting part. Lips. So I'm going to start off with a lip liner. So excited. Oh, okay. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Stunning. Oh my goodness, that is the best smelling lipstick. Oh, it's like kind of vanilla-ish. Oh my god. I got the cherry red, which is a slightly deeper red, because I'm going to a boat party at the end of May, and I have this whole 1920s look planned out, and I wanted this. London in the shade Diva. There we go. What a look. And then, time for the lipstick. Oh my god, I'm afraid. I really like the shape of this. You can see it's pointed. Can you see that? Ooh. Oh my goodness. Well, that's amazing. It's gorgeous. It smells amazing. Okay, what do I have to do then? Tissue. It says Blot twice, so. Bésame commandeth, I shall respond. For my second coat, which it recommends, I'm going to see what it's like to apply with a lip brush. Does anyone else struggle with getting their lip to be even on the bottom? And then I'm going to apply a final coat to the centre of the lip, which is what it recommends. No, wait. I can smell this, and it smells delightful. I think I'm going to get Victory Red as well, because that looks like more like a true bold red. Oh, this is a true replica of the shade from 1935, by the way. 1930s, not 1940s or 50s. But it's really pretty. And now that I have my lip colour on, I can decide on how much blush to wear. And I'm thinking with this lip shade that a pink would look really pretty. So I'm going to apply the colour Dandelion by Benefit. It's a really pretty pink. It's also a great test of how powder products go on top of the Bésame powder. And they go very nicely. So this is it. This is my... I have hair on my eye. Ooh! This is my casual, kind of easy, everyday makeup look. I really love these products. Oh my goodness. I highly recommend them. I think they are really sweet. They smell amazing. They work really well. My skin feels so soft where I've applied this powder. Oh, lovely. And I would definitely recommend, if you're a vintage lover, picking these up. I will leave the link of the UK site where I got them in the description. I really hope that you enjoyed this very quick impromptu makeup video. Look at that piece of hair that I curled. How cute. Frame my face. There we go. I really hope that you enjoyed. And I will see you in my next video. Au revoir!